Alright, we've got a standard 2x4 wall spaced 2 foot on center. We're doing 1/2 inch drywall on the back side. And finished drywall on this side, same as a standard 1/2 inch drywall wall. And next step we're going to put in the 3.5 inch R13 cotton insulation. This side of the wall is now finished, 1/2 inch drywall on standard 2 foot center studs with standard construction. We can go around to the other side, and Mitch is finishing up the R13 cotton insulation on the back side. So we'll walk over there and take a look at that. We're just cutting the last piece to 84 inches. And then we'll add a layer of 5/8 drywall, leaving a 1/4 inch gap all the way around the outside for acoustical sealing. Alright, so what we've got here, we've got the 1/2 inch drywall on the back of a 2x4 framed wall, 2 foot on center. This side we've got 5/8 drywall installed just like you would on a regular wall. We've got R13 Ultra Touch insulation, so recycled cotton. For that over fiberglass because it absorbs the sound waves a little bit better. The only thing different on this wall is we've left an 1/8 to 1/4 inch gap between the drywall and the edge of the framing. Then we're coming back with an acoustical sealant and sealing that 1/8 of an inch gap, and that decouples this drywall from the framing of the wall, letting this drywall move independently from the rest of the wall framing. So we will fill in this last piece of drywall, and when we come back, we'll put the second layer of 5/8 on top of this layer, staggering the seams with a layer of green glue in between the 2 sheets of drywall. So now we've got the original layer of 5/8 that we just put on. We're still maintaining a 1/4 inch gap at all of our framing. We've filled the back layer with acoustical sealant. Included in the gap, we've got a 1/4 inch gap between the drywall and the concrete floor. That's been sealed with acoustical sealant. Our next sheet's about to go up here. We've got all of our seams offset, so we don't have any seams stacked between the first layer and the second layer. Mike's applying the green glue over here onto the top layer. We use 2 tubes per 8 foot sheet. So we've got a 10 foot sheet here. We're going to use 2.5 tubes of green glue on this one. And when Mikey gets that applied, we will spin this sheet around, slide it in place, and attach it like a standard sheet of drywall using 2 to 2.5 inch screws, because we've got to go through 2 layers of 5/8 drywall on this one. Still get to the framing. Alright, so we're spinning this sheet in place. Okay. Here we go.